The LANTRA accredited night shooting course delivers certificated training to professional and recreational pest control operatives, fox shooters, deer managers, and all those involved in the control of vermin, fox, and deer at night. The course represents an industry-wide collaboration between the National Gamekeepers Organisation, members of the British Pest Control Association, 360 Wildlife Control, wildlife management experts, WildTrack Pro, thermal drone technology specialists, BH Wildlife Consultancy, deer management training providers, Yell PWS, and county deer stalking, who have joined forces with night vision and thermal imaging equipment specialists, including industry leaders HIC Micro, DNT Optics, Tom's Targets, and Swarovski Optic, to create a consolidated night shooting course that delivers the most advanced training in the use of thermal and night vision equipment, providing crucial guidance on the law surrounding night shooting and best practice training in the necessary skills and knowledge to implement safe, effective and humane control measures in both urban and rural environments. Along with recognised third-party accreditation from LANTRA, this online assessed LANTRA Award provides the very latest and most up-to-date certificated training to all those that shoot at night.
I'm Tim Weston from the National Gamekeepers Organisation. Welcome to the Night Shooting Safety Course.